Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Odechifa and I will be showing how you can save your WhatsApp status using Phone's without having WhatsApp status saver on your phone. So now this is the app Phone's app. So I will be showing you how you can save your status using and how you can play song on your Phone's and read book through Phone's without you having WhatsApp status saver. So let me show you how I'm going to do it. So I'll be clicking on my WhatsApp. I'm going to view some status, then you're going to see it on my phone's status saver. Let me show you now. Come on. Let me view this status. You see, I'm viewing some status here. So I'm coming. Let me view this. So now let me go to my Phone's app and show you how you can save status using your phone. So I'll be clicking on Phone's. Once I click on it, you're going to see home, explore, file, tabs, and me. Click on explore. This explore showing 99 plus. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to look at it up. Junk is where you're going to delete most things hanging on your phone. In case you want to predict any match, music, if you want to play song that is on your phone. I'm going to go back. I'm going to show you how you can play song on your phone and how you can read novels. Once you download the novels, you get these free stories. You don't need to have you don't need to have any novel book. You can have, is your choice, but with Phone's you can read any novel of your choice for free. You can pay, but they still have some free novels. So you just have to click on status saver. Once you click on status saver, you're going to see and view every single status you have viewed and watched. So now look at the status here. Even the one you view, maybe probably photos or even audios from people's status, you can still see them on your phone is for free. You don't even need to. The amazing part of this phone is here is that you don't need to use data while downloading your status. It's just for free. You don't need data. I'm just using my data. I just on my data for just. I'm coming. Let me off my data. You don't really need data. So now this status, I've already viewed it. I didn't view this. I didn't view that one. Sorry, I didn't view it. But most times you see the status you're already seen and the one you didn't see. You understand? So now this one, I viewed this one. You see, and you can save it. Let me just save this, even though it's not necessary. Let me just save it. Fast and amazing. Like, you want to save multiple statuses on your phone. If you want to save multiple statuses on your phone, just click on, like, you want to save every status. I know, and probably you want to save everything, you like everything, you can select everything. And if you don't want to save everything, you can select the one. You can remove the one you don't like. Take the one you don't like. That is the easiest way on how to save status using phones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more amazing content on my YouTube. Thank you.